Hey guys, and welcome back to another one of my videos. In today's video I'd like to show you how to surface crochet. Now this is a slime that I made from Slime Rancher, and I used surface crochet to get this beautiful textured ridge on the top of this slime's body. So I'm going to show you how to do this. So I'm going to take up my little embroidered creation and I'm going to work into this. So just like with embroidery, I'm going to plot a course and I'm going to work a straight line straight across. I'm going to use this lovely pink. I'm going to take up my 4mm hook. So jumping straight in, I'm just going to insert my hook into a stitch, pull it out the other side, grab my yarn, a bit of a mouth function. There we go. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to pull the yarn through here. And my first stitch will be a chain. That gives us the height that we need. So I like to hold the tail with my middle finger just while I work this chain, because then I can set my tension. So now I'm going to insert my hook into the stitch that I just came out of and jump straight through, grab hold, and I can just pop a single crochet there using US terms. So again, I'm going to go into the hole that I just came out of, go under that stitch, pop back out, grab my yarn, pull it through and turn that into a single crochet. One more time, I'm going to go into the hole I just came out of, pull my yarn through, and there's my single. Now you can do other stitches as well. So for example, you can grab hold, go in, come out, and turn that into a half double. You can even do a double, like so. And if you want to really get some height on there, you can do a treble crochet as well. As long as you go into the hole that you originally came out of, you'll end up with a really nice neat line. And when it comes to finishing off surface crocheting as well, I always try to finish off with a nice slip stitch into the next round, just so it anchors it all down. So there we go, we've got some nice height here. And to finish off, we simply cut the yarn, pull it through so it doesn't come undone, and then I'm going to grab my yarn needle, thread that straight through just to hide this tail, and pull it nice and tight. And I can do the same with this one as well. I can just tuck it straight in. I'll thread my needle through first, and the yarn, and just pull that through. So this is a great way to create things like wings. There's no limit to how high you can create these stitches. You can do double trebles or treble trebles, quadruple trebles. It depends how high you want this ridge to go. And for my slime here, that was just half doubles all the way, and it just gave it a nice bit of height there. So there we go, that's how you surface crochet onto amigurumis. So I really hope this helped you. Don't forget to drop a subscribe so you don't miss my future videos, and I really hope that I'll see you in the next one. Once again, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.